I mean, when you look at these pictures and you see where the daycare is, you deliberately have to have driven your car there.
Within hours of the fatal bus crash at a Laval daycare on Wednesday, 51-year-old Pierre-Ny Saint-Amand was charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder, attempted murder, aggravated assault, and more. 9 charges total for the driver.
We all saw the picture. It's not a place. A lot of people said it was a deliberate act. This is not an accident. Was it planned? Was he able to put his plan into execution? And probably those elements were already available to investigators. That's why these charges were probably given.
If found guilty of first-degree murder, Saint-Amand would face 25 years in prison before he can ask for parole. Yeboah says these types of charges are not something we often see in Quebec.
First-degree murder, it's the highest crime somebody can commit in the criminal code. It means somebody actually sat down, planned a murder, and not only plan it, but actually put the plan into execution.
According to Yeboah, Saint-Amand's case may also require input from experts and a psychiatric evaluation.
It will probably be a case of a battle of experts, right? When the experts will come and testify in court, the judge will probably use experts to come and explain to the court, or at least to inform the court about his state of mind. The judge can pronounce that he is not criminally responsible, because he wasn't in his right state of mind at that moment.
Former Montreal Police Inspector André Durocher says collision experts will also play an important part in this case.
They'll be able to see if the vehicle was accelerating, decelerating, the testimony of the witnesses, the impact. Yesterday there was some evidence gathered from the scene, but you know they probably need some lab results and everything. So there's a lot of information that still needs to be confirmed as we speak.
Several elements that will be investigated. Did he leave a note? Did he have a plan at his house? Did he have a route? Did he sat down and I don't know, Google the around of the daycare? Did he plan? It's really during the investigation that all this would come out. They'll probably search a warrant at his house to see what information they can find, interviews with him, and it's with that they'll be able to prove their case.
Saint-Amand is expected back in court on February 17. In Montreal, Diona Macalinga, City News.